Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and I have my Cocoa Daisy Valentine's kit to share with you. This was a pre-order back in, I want to say September, and oh, Simon! Oh my gosh! Yeah, never mind anything else. Oh my gosh, there's a Simon paperclip! Anyway, oh, let me try and get back. Oh, too excited. So yeah, pre-ordered back in September and they are sold out of this, but there is a digital version of some of the things that you can get on the site. Right, oh, no board holder. So I'm really, in case you can't tell, I'm a little bit excited about this. And because all the Simon is in here. And oh, it's so cute. Oh, Simon washi tape. Oh my goodness me. There is Simon washi tape. My life is now complete. Well, maybe not quite, slight exaggeration, but you know, it's pretty complete because I have Simon washi tape. Little disclaimer, I am on their planner design team, so I did get this at a reduced cost. I think I did. Can't remember now. But you know, it's got Simon in. I was going to be getting it, let's face it. So, oh, I love Simon. So ace. Oh my goodness me. Can't get rid of the plastic fast enough. Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. Ready? Oh, wow. Oh, it's Simon. Simon washi tape. How far does the repeat go? It goes to there, I think. No, it keeps going. It's even further. It's there. Is it there? This is a ridiculously long repeat by the looks of it. Yeah, it goes to there, all the way down here, and to there. Oh, so many Simons. That is excellent. There's going to be a lot of Simon going in my planner now, in case you can't guess. If you're new here, Cocoa Daisy's mascot is this little bunny called Simon, and previous years the February kit used to feature quite a lot of Simon. For example, this was I think year before last's pouch, which I absolutely love. Or was it last year's? Can't remember. Might have been year before last. Yeah, I think it was. And this year the February kit is all Paris based and sort of themed around that, and there's a lot less Simon, but so which is why they did a whole collection add-on type kit thing to give me my Simon fix, because yes, they did this just for me. Not really, I know there are plenty of people out there who love Simon as much as I do. So we have a cute little paperclip, Simon with a little box of chocolates, and a rose gold paperclip because the accents in the in this month's collections, which I'll leave an unboxing linked up here, is rose gold. Oh, and then we've got Simon cards. Oh, we've got P.S. I love you as a journaling card. Wee. And that's Betty, his co-worker. But you know, let's face it, Simon and Betty are meant to be together. Yeah, look, they're holding hands in Paris, the city of love, and I think we're lost, fine with me. Yeah, their relationship has developed over the years. And then I have some stickers, and I think we're about to get invaded by Tom the cat, but that's fine. So lots of Simons and little words and text, and I love the music, that's cute. Nerdy and flirty. Brilliant. And oh, set of days, and these dates in the hearts, they're gorgeous. Macarons, which will go with the main kit too. And more Simon and Betty, and oh my gosh, look, Betty with a poodle. That's awesome. Oh, I love that. That's so much fun. And now I got some little mini paperclip bows, and oh, stamps. Yeah, Tom is probably about to invade. Hi Tom, how are we doing? How are we doing, Pussycat? Hey? So, Simon stamps. Don't knock the lights. So we've got Simon with his, all the different ones, Simon and Betty. Thomas, not helpful. Right, come on Tom, off you go. He's got a thing of sitting on whatever I'm doing at the moment. Oh, Betty with the poodle, yay. And then we've got lots of like, oh, it's like a conversation, well, love heart I would call it, conversation heart, love heart. And I'm guessing these will all fit in there. So yes, going to do that. A couple of tags, is that where, oh no, they still have theirs. Oh, they seem to have got extra ones on, that's okay. Stick on back, so a couple of tags, can make pretty things with those. Oh, that's lovely. I just wanted to say one more thing, says Simon. And this has got a grid in the back. Oh, it's a background as well, which is perfect. I do love that. Now, this is familiar because this is from the Classic Planner sticker kit. And I got an email saying that they'd run out of some of the stickers, which actually, let me find where I've put mine. These style ones, I think it is, which I already had 2 sets of from my planner and memory keeping subscription, so I didn't mind that at all. I'm quite happy to have these. But they did also send out a little voucher as well to use off for purchase as a sorry we ran out of the thing we meant to give you. But I'm quite happy with having that. That's fab. And oh, I can feel vellum. Oh, that is beautiful. So look at the pink. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with that because there's no way I'm cutting that up. Gonna have to have a little think about that one. And I feel acetate as well. There we go. I'm in love, really, Valentine, can't help it, really, love you. And Simon there with his bunch of roses and his chocolates. That's so sweet. And then we've got some papers and a, yeah. Okay, so we've got, I see, okay, so I was half expecting them to unfold then like the planner papers do. So we've got the little puppies and yellow sort of circly dot things, technical term, stripes, love me a good stripe, and oh my gosh, look at this! Now that's begging to be cut apart and fussy cut into different things, isn't it? Oh, I love that, that's ace. And yes, there's the other one, and that's the other one, put them that way. And then the little hearts with Simon and Betty on the back. And oh, so pretty, little sort of confetti hearts. And then we got, this is a notebook cover, notepad cover. And once again, I greatly regret the fact that I don't use a mini dory because how gorgeous is that? And I have seen quite a lot of people will add strings to this, just punch some extra holes, add elastics into it, it's completely the wrong way around, and add a mini dory to it. Or what it's designed to go with initially is your notepad holder here. Oh, that's really nice. And then you could always tuck in some smaller sticker sheets will fit over here as well, so you can kind of have those with you on the go. Oh my goodness me, that is gorgeous. Oh, I love the colours. Oh, I love the mini notepad holders, but I really wish we could have them in bigger ones too, like the Daisy Weeks like TN type thing that they did as well. I mean, that would just be awesome to have a couple of sizes. Hint, hint. Please. And last but certainly not least, I have some die cuts. So let's have these open and have a look through. And I'm seeing, oh, I'm feeling Tom coming up the back of me again. But I'm seeing once again lots and lots of Simon and Betty in here. So, okay, Tom's discovering that some things move around. He's getting a bit adventurous. So we have Simon with hearts. We've got a little arrows. These are cute. Oh, I like that. Date this and love, so presumably love this. And then, I know it's Parisian, it's meant to be like the artist, but it makes me think of a robber every time. Oh, real love stories never end. What was that? Oh, heart. Betty in Paris. Another Parisian Betty. The macarons are today. Patisserie. And then another little die cut. Oh, more cakes and flowers. And chocolate box and a little envelope. There's something under there too. I think it's another couple of hearts. Yep, a couple more hearts. There we go. And then let's make a bit of space. Come away with me. This makes me happy. The cafetiere and Simon and Betty walking off perhaps into a sunset, which this makes me think of a sunset, and they could just sit there, couldn't they? Oh, so pretty. That is absolutely gorgeous. I really like these kind of extra kits that they've been doing. They did one for Christmas, kind of add-ons. They did the Christmas and they did and then they've done this one. This is the first one I've kind of done around Valentine's, I believe. And I just think that is absolutely fabulous. I mean, oh, so much in it. Oh, so I'm going to be finishing up my planner setup. I'll just give you a little hint of what I'm using for February. This beautiful, beautiful Spice Himalayan salt. I've pulled out various things. Little hint inside. Ooh. But obviously I have a lot of Simon goodies to add into my setup now, which is very exciting. And keep an eye out for my setup video, which will be coming soon. So until next time, lovely people, have a fabulous day and look after yourselves, and I shall say bye-bye for now.